The cabin of the Tesla Model S Plaid is designed for modern luxury, featuring a large touchscreen, ambient lighting, ventilated seats, and a studio-grade sound system. Every detail feels built for next-generation comfort. Now let's talk performance, because this car doesn't just accelerate, it launches. Its three-motor setup, one in front and two at the rear, delivers over 1,020 horsepower. That power pushes the Plaid from 0 to 60 in just 1.99 seconds with a top speed of 200 miles per hour. It's quicker than many supercars, yet completely electric, silent, and emissions-free. Despite the speed, Tesla's efficiency stands out, offering nearly 400 miles of range on a single charge. A quick 15-minute stop at a supercharger adds about 200 miles, balancing speed and range perfectly. What truly separates the Plaid is its intelligence. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving. You think you know Italian speed, but the 2026 Alfa Romeo Giulia Phantom Coupe is something darker and more alive. This isn't a sports car, it's an Italian stealth weapon carved from carbon fiber. Press the red start button and the calm snaps into thunder. Its twin-turbo 3.0 V6, inspired by Ferrari, unleashes over 560 horsepower with a violent, missile-like roar. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, and every shift feels like pulling a trigger. The design is predatory. Matte Nero Tempesta paint, jet-inspired vents, and LED headlights that lock on like targeting systems. BMW X6 MF96. The BMW X6 MF96 is the high-performance version of the X6 lineup, easily recognized by its aggressive styling and strong road presence. It's powered by a 4.4-liter V8M twin-power turbo engine that delivers an impressive 625 horsepower, allowing the SUV to launch from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Its exterior design features the classic BMW kidney grille paired with M-specific elements that highlight its sporty attitude. Inside, the cabin feels modern and intelligent, offering digital services, advanced driver assistance technology, and M-exclusive